Hello, I'm Ben, and as the CTO of CodeWalnut, I'm often across multiple different projects at the same time. And I'm often parachuted in with quite little context sometimes, where our engineers have begun working on a proof of concept and our client wants to turn that proof of concept into enterprise level software. I used to run a series of prompts that would allow me to get audits on the different parts of the code base that we really cared about and our clients really cared about. I'd run an audit on accessibility, I'd run an audit on the performance, and I'd run an audit on security, amongst other things. I ended up writing these so often that I turned them into a skill. This Thursday, on the 30th of April, I'm going to be walking through exactly what this playbook looks like and giving it to you for free. How it works is I run a series of slash commands. As you can see here, I can run my first slash command, often becomes the pre-audit setup, where the skill looks to install Graphify to create a knowledge graph of the code base, and it allows me to run the next series of audits in parallel on different work trees and create multiple PRs that shift the code base in the right direction. It's a lot more involved than that when I have to look through exactly what were the decisions on the architecture, whether I made the decisions or someone else made those decisions, and are we really honoring that architecture or does it need to make a shift? This allows me to do rapid refactors and do it in parallel with the developers. So this Thursday, the 30th of April, my senior engineer and I will be walking through the two different types of working as an agentic engineer. Ranjan will be walking through how he works as a developer, and I'll be working through how I work as an architect in order to bridge the gap to enterprise level. I hope to see you there. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon.